You are going to love the 2026 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, power sunroof, rear step bumper, hill descent control, alloy wheels, tire pressure monitoring system, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rear window defroster, front wheel independent suspension. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.